SCTY after the closed at 52.46 yesterday, got marked down to 45.79 on the low where we were buying it. The high before the earnings came out was 53.50. The stock is right here in the after hours. So we have bought the $52 calls, and we had other people buy them quite a bit. I mean, we have a big order that we bought on the thing. And what we're going to do also is in the morning, we are going to uh, buy other calls or puts or whatever it is. Remember, yesterday's close, 52.46. Today, it sold down from 53.50 to 45.79. Had a $7.71 penny, $7.71 in after hours. And we're right up here. We shot to 51.86. Now, I'll find a little bit of information and I'll be going over this whole thing. I just want people to know before that, I'm going to do the following. Here, Green Mountain Coffee had a huge run in 2013. And you got to realize that solar is back in play. When this thing was up here at $85, look at here. Got down here, and this is a daily chart. And yes, we had to buy it. And we hope that the report will be solid because we're not losing any money right now. We got to find out what they're going to do with their business model. I just wanted to throw this daily chart in here that, listen, the people that got in up here at $80, even $70, even $65 and $60, they're in the house of pain. And rightfully so. I mean, it was a great short down there, and you're talking about a stock that has closed on a multi-weekly and monthly low, and it has. Now, so much for that. This is the actual move. So we hit 51, and we're going to find out more. We are trading now at 49.71 by 70. So the conference call is going to be very important. And once again, if they've executed well, we will let everyone know. I do not know the exact guidance. I do know they beat by 46 cents. I do know that they beat on the revs. But here's the problem. They're guiding Q2 now below consensus and revs in line. That's what stopped the stock from going higher. And that the news was already going to be priced in it. And there is a very lengthy report that we have to go over. However, they are guiding down a little bit, and that the lows were reflected in the stock price. So it sold off, but they did beat by 46 cents. And Capital IQ consensus estimate was for 07.2, and they beat that too. Revenues rose 111.9% year to year to $63.54 million versus the 53.38. Okay, so we're going to get down into the nitty gritty about it. We're going to learn more about what the gap solar industries, what that gap is going to be, and what that gap in the earnings are going to be, and gross margins are 50 to 55. That's a good thing. So once again, what are they doing? They have been on fire. And the thing about it is that we are going to monitor where the stock has already anticipated this number, and that the headline number is okay as it is. But they beat on the revs, but they're going to give EPS below consensus, but revs are going to be in line. And look, there's a lot that goes into the report, and we will be happy to do that with our MMTs here after the close. Once again, we'll take a look at what this does in the morning, and we'll take a look at both the call and the puts. We got calls going in to the report, and we'll take a look at the put options tomorrow, and we'll take a look at these earnings that were just released was already baked in the cake.